City Police has rewarded 2 individuals today for exposing a street vendor on social media for using chemicals on bananas at Naganala Ngari Gali of Khwairamban Market. The individuals, identified as Moirangthem Santhalembi and Thangjam Priti from Khurai Chingangbam Lekai, were presented simple gifts as encouragement. They highlighted that the incident occurred when the two were marketing at a Khwairamban market and filmed the street vendor using the chemicals, and also advised the street vendor and her helper to refrain from such fraudulent activities in the future. Police reported that the City Police OC immediately formed a team to investigate on the matter after the social media video went viral on 15th of this month. The team detained the street vendor on the same day, and her helper was also detained on the next day. Police further reported that the street vendor acquired the chemical from a woman supplying the bananas. They were later brought before Imphal West SDM and taken up legal actions. Police also highlighted that they are investigating on the wholesaler who supplied the chemicals, and they also prepared to spread awareness to refrain from such fraudulent activities in the market. Police further appealed to the public to report to relevant authority if such fraudulent activities are found.
Step ama lokhalak dana ngasi press media mayam amada amuk hena khoi praja mayam da makeup thoan bagi mawong ama sinbi base khoi hainingai leitana nungaije aduga simi singda aina hainingba amana sinomagi paisa tan laga khoi isa isugi damak to hona biriba mayamna sugumba phataba ise amuhana to haningde tawbiraktana ba su praja mayamda adagi simi sing mayamda aikoina sugumba wafam ase thamjari aduga matung manausu amuhana tawba mayam ama leiramaga ju tawbiranu haina mayamgi mafamdagi khoi press media gi mafamda gi akoina kuthang laujaraga nungna amuhana tawbigano na haijari
singumba jinjak ta potyan tawbase mayamgi hachang sokpa thabakse amuhana tawdaba oirasanu sisina maram oiraga mayamda pukning noksing